Hi friends, today we are going to work on Science Chapter 6, Lesson 3. Students will explain what rocks are made from and will classify different rocks. What are minerals and rocks? I will know what rocks are made from. I will know how rocks are grouped. Words to know: rock, mineral, igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock. Rocks are everywhere on Earth. Rock is natural, solid, non-living material made of one or more minerals, and I'm going to underline that because that is one of our vocabulary words. A mineral is a natural, non-living material that makes up rock. I'm also going to underline that because that's one of our vocabulary words. Each mineral has its own properties that can be used to identify it. Rocks get their properties partly from the minerals they contain. The properties of rocks include color and texture. In some rocks, the bits of minerals, called grains, are big enough to see. The size and pattern of a rock's grain is called texture. Identifying minerals. You can identify minerals by their properties. Color is a property of a mineral that is easy to see, but some minerals can be found in different colors. For example, the mineral quartz can be pink, purple, yellow, brown, white, or black. Another way to identify a mineral is by the color in its powder form. When you rub a mineral across a rough surface, it may leave a streak, mark, or powder. A mineral's streak is always the same color, even if pieces of the mineral are different colors. You can also use luster to identify minerals. Luster is a property that describes how a mineral reflects light. Minerals can be pearly, silky, greasy, glassy, dull, or metallic. A mineral can be identified by testing its hardness too. Talc is a mineral that is so soft you can scratch it with your fingernail. The hardest mineral is diamond. You can also identify minerals by how they break apart along weak, flat areas when force is used. This is called cleavage. Some minerals break in one direction. Other minerals break in two or more directions. Mica breaks in one direction. Diamonds break in four directions. Some properties of minerals. We have halite, which has a white streak. It's glassy. Its hardness can be scratched with a penny, and cleavage is in three directions. Copper is reddish brown and has a metallic luster. It can be scratched with a knife blade and it does not break. Fluorite is white. Its luster is glassy. It can be scratched with a knife blade and its cleavage is four directions. Rock groups can be placed into three main groups. Rocks in each group formed in a certain way. Each group contains many kinds of rock. Igneous rock. Melted rock sometimes forms beneath Earth's surface. Igneous rock forms when melted rock cools and hardens, and I'm going to underline that because that is one of the vocabulary words. Sometimes the melted rock cools slowly below ground. Then the mineral grains in the igneous rock may be large. Other times the melted rock comes to the surface and cools quickly. Then the grains may be too small to see. Sedimentary rock. Rock that forms from sediments is called sedimentary rock. I'm going to underline that sentence because it's another one of the vocabulary words. Sediments are tiny bits of rock, shells, and other materials. Settlements settle to the bottom of rivers, lakes, and oceans. Over millions of years, the sediments are pressed together and cemented to form new rocks. Sedimentary rocks form in layers, one layer at a time. Metamorphic rock. Rock that has been changed by heat and pressure is called metamorphic rock. I'm going to underline that because that is one of our vocabulary words. Shale is a sedimentary rock. Heat and pressure underground change the minerals in the shale. The shale becomes slate, a metamorphic rock. Granite is an igneous rock. It can be changed into gneiss, a metamorphic rock. Look at the chart below. It shows how rocks can change from one type to another. Here's igneous for granite. Granite is igneous rock that has large grains. Granite is often used in building materials. It was changed into a metamorphic rock, gneiss. This gneiss was once granite. The grains in gneiss are arranged in layers, and you can see the layers in the rock. Here is sedimentary. Shale is a sedimentary rock with thin layers. Changed into metamorphic, it became slate. This slate was once shale. Slate also has thin layers, and you can see some of the layers there. All right. I would like you to tell an adult at home what rocks are made of. That is the end of lesson 3. Thank you, friends.